Today, I'm going to teach you how to get list ID in ClickUp. This is incredibly useful when you're working with integrations, automations, or the ClickUp API, as you'll need this specific identifier to connect your lists to other tools and workflows. Let's walk through how to find it quickly. First, open your web browser and head over to clickup.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the account where your lists are stored, as this will ensure you have access to all your workspaces and projects. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your main ClickUp dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the left side panel where you'll see various navigation options. Click on Spaces. This will display all the different spaces you've created or have access to within your ClickUp workspace. Spaces are essentially the highest level of organization in ClickUp, so you'll need to drill down from here to find your specific list. Now, from the spaces that appear, click on the specific space that contains the list you're looking for. This could be a project space, a team space, or any custom space you've set up. Clicking on it will expand the space and show you all the folders and lists nested within it. Next, locate the list you need the ID for. Lists are usually organized under folders within your space, so browse through until you find the exact list you're targeting. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on the list to open it. This step is crucial because opening the list will load its dedicated page, and that's where the magic happens. Now, take a close look at the URL in your browser's address bar. This is where your list ID is hiding in plain sight. The URL contains various pieces of information about your ClickUp workspace, and embedded within it is the unique identifier for the list you just opened. Your list ID is located right after /li/in the URL. This is the key marker to look for. Everything that comes after /li/ and before the question mark is your list ID. The question mark typically marks the beginning of additional parameters in the URL, so you'll want to stop there. Simply copy that string of numbers and letters between those two markers, and that's your list ID. And there you have it. You've successfully extracted your list ID from ClickUp, and you can now use it for any integrations or automation setups you're working on. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.